Hey Fitness Tips family! Have you ever felt like no matter how much you work out, your muscles just won't get stronger? Or maybe you've noticed your strength fading instead of improving? Well, today we're diving deep into something almost no one talks about: the 4 sneaky habits that are secretly making your muscles weak. These habits might be hiding in plain sight, silently sabotaging all your hard work. Stick with me, because if you don't fix these, building muscle will always feel like an uphill battle. Welcome back to Fitness Tips, your go-to place for simple, smart fitness advice. Ready to find out if you're unknowingly weakening your muscles? Let's get started. Muscle strength and size don't just come from lifting heavy or eating protein. There's a whole lifestyle puzzle behind it. And unfortunately, some everyday habits many of us think are harmless could actually be tearing down your muscle gains. Let's jump into the first culprit that's likely lurking in your daily routine. Have you been resting more than you should? It sounds counterintuitive, but yes, resting too much can actually weaken your muscles. When you think about muscle health, recovery is important, no doubt. But overdoing rest, especially in a sedentary lifestyle, is like telling your muscles to take a permanent vacation. Your muscles need regular stimulation to maintain strength and mass. When you're inactive for long stretches, sitting all day at a desk, binge watching shows without moving, or skipping workouts for weeks, your muscles start to atrophy. Atrophy means muscle tissue literally shrinks and weakens. This happens because muscle fibers require resistance or tension to stay healthy. Without movement, your body starts breaking down muscle proteins for energy, thinking it's no longer necessary to maintain that muscle mass. So that break day turns into a muscle loss day if you're not careful. Even just a few weeks of inactivity can reduce muscle strength noticeably. And the longer you stay inactive, the more severe the decline. This is why athletes who get injured and are forced to immobilize a limb lose muscle fast. So, don't fall into the trap of thinking rest means zero movement. Instead, think active recovery, light movement, stretching, walking. Keep those muscles engaged daily to avoid wasting away. Did you know your diet might be secretly starving your muscles? Protein is often the star of muscle-building conversations, but many people forget the bigger nutritional picture. Muscles require a balance of nutrients, not just protein, to repair and grow. Without enough calories overall, your body won't have the energy it needs to build or maintain muscle. When you're in a calorie deficit for too long, your body starts breaking down muscle tissue for fuel. But even more damaging than eating too little protein is poor nutrient timing and low-quality food choices. If your meals lack essential amino acids, the building blocks of muscle, your body struggles to rebuild muscle fibers after exercise. Plus, insufficient carbs can reduce your energy levels and delay recovery. Fats, often misunderstood, are vital for hormone production, including testosterone and growth hormone, which play major roles in muscle health. So, skipping meals, cutting calories drastically, or relying on processed junk food means your muscles aren't getting what they need to stay strong. Even if you hit the gym hard, your muscles won't respond without proper fuel. Make sure your diet has enough protein, healthy fats, and carbs, and eat at regular intervals to keep your muscles fed. Now, moving on to the third muscle weakening habit, and this one might surprise you. Could your healthy habits actually be hurting your muscles? Let me explain. Many people swear by endless cardio sessions for fat loss and health. But overdoing cardio without strength training can actually cause muscle loss. Why? Because excessive endurance exercise puts your body in a catabolic state, breaking down muscle tissue to meet energy demands. Your body can only recover from so much stress. When you flood it with marathon runs, intense cycling, or hours of aerobic exercise, your muscles don't get enough time or resources to repair and grow. Instead, they shrink to become more efficient for endurance. That's great if you want to run a marathon, but terrible if you want strong, bulky muscles. Plus, too much cardio can spike your cortisol, the stress hormone, which directly promotes muscle breakdown. If you want to keep your muscles strong, balance is key. Cardio is important for heart health and fat loss, but it should never replace strength training. Limit your cardio to moderate amounts, and prioritize resistance workouts to maintain muscle mass. The last habit on the list is something almost everyone falls into at some point, and it's a silent strength killer. Are you neglecting your sleep? Because that could be why your muscles refuse to grow. Sleep is when your body does its best repair work, and that includes muscle repair. During deep sleep stages, your body releases growth hormone, which stimulates muscle growth and tissue regeneration. Skimping on quality sleep disrupts this process, leading to slower recovery and reduced muscle gains. If you're only getting 5 or 6 hours of sleep, or your sleep is interrupted constantly, your muscles are robbed of the vital recovery time they need. Chronic poor sleep increases inflammation and stress hormones, both of which interfere with muscle repair and protein synthesis. Some studies even show that sleep deprivation can decrease muscle strength and increase fatigue, making your workouts less effective. So no matter how hard you train or how clean you eat, if your sleep is compromised, your muscles won't keep up. Prioritize 7-9 hours of quality sleep. It's one of the simplest but most overlooked ways to build strong muscles. You might be surprised how your mindset and daily habits outside the gym affect muscle strength more than you think. Stress, mental fatigue, and poor hydration all play big roles. Chronic stress floods your body with cortisol, which, as we said earlier, breaks down muscle protein. When you're stressed out all the time, whether it's work pressure, family issues, or just mental overload, your body is in constant survival mode, sacrificing muscle for energy. Hydration is another sneaky factor. Muscles are about 75% water, and even mild dehydration can reduce muscle strength and endurance. Without enough water, your muscles cramp easier, tire faster, and recover slower. So, managing stress through mindfulness, meditation, or simple breathing exercises can protect your muscles. And drinking enough water daily, about half your body weight in ounces, keeps your muscles primed for performance. By now, you're probably wondering, okay, how do I fix this? Here's the good news. These habits can be reversed. You can stop losing muscle and start building it strong again. First, move your body every day, even if it's just walking or stretching. Avoid long sedentary periods. Next, focus on a nutrient-rich diet that includes sufficient protein and calories, plus balanced carbs and healthy fats. Add strength training at least 3 times a week, and don't let cardio overshadow your muscle work. Most importantly, prioritize your sleep. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, avoid screens before bed, and aim for deep restorative sleep. Lastly, take care of your mental health and stay hydrated. Your muscles depend on your whole lifestyle, not just your workouts. Want a quick challenge? For the next week, track these 4 habits closely: movement, nutrition, sleep, and stress, and see how your energy and muscle strength feel. I guarantee you'll notice a difference. Remember, muscle health is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about consistency, balance, and tuning into what your body truly needs. Stop unknowingly hurting your muscles and start helping them thrive. Thanks for watching Fitness Tips. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our muscle boosting secrets. Comment below, which habit surprised you the most? And share your own tips on building stronger muscles. Until next time, stay strong and stay healthy.